Okay, I've been noticing something weird with gasoline. Wash this out. Totally clean. I just got this at Chevron. It's premium. Let's pour about a half a cup in here. Now let's pour more. Right about there. Let's put this in here. Let's just wait a few days, or maybe a day, and we'll see what happens. Something really interesting happens. Okay, it's been about a day. A lot of it has evaporated. By the way, you can't light gasoline with a cigarette. I'll let it go another day, but look how much disappeared. That was like up to here. Yeah, we'll just let it keep going. Let's check it tomorrow. Okay, it's been about 2 days, and this is what's left. What's interesting about this is it doesn't want to burn, or it's not very flammable. It's definitely not gasoline. So what is that stuff? Look at that. It won't burn. That's my lighter. Still got quite a bit left in here. It hasn't evaporated. We'll see what happens here. I think this stuff is still flammable. Yeah, see, that burns. But this doesn't. So eventually we're going to get this in here. Very interesting. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.